flood warning! Oh my god, it's my first flash flood warning!
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, and Indiana. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania.
It's raining like crap outside.
Central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indiana, Clymer, Chevy Chase Heights, Ernest, Eldon, Creekside, Chiloctaw, and Yellow Creek State Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.